Hi, welcome back to my channel, guys. I know a lot of you must have been wondering what happened. I've been long gone for a while now. But the thing is, I just need some time away. But for this particular video is actually about how to position everyone for all the upcoming layer 2 airdrops that we've been expecting from layer 0, OPBNB, Stacknet, and not necessarily Stacknet though, because Stacknet have a different way of deploying their contracts. But when it comes to OPBNB, Linear, ZK Sync, and Mantle and Zora, which we'll be actually focusing on at the moment, I've actually done all those other ones, even though I didn't drop on my YouTube channel. But for those who have been in my group, I've been mentioning, talking about like almost all the time. So to cut the long story short, let's just start. Here I'll be deploying a contract that you can actually deploy in every chain. And thanks to Adoke, a friend of mine, who has made a compressed and concise uh, contract that can work for every chain, and it will cost you a very less fee, which will enable you to, no matter how much more, almost on every chain you'll be trying it, it will be costing you less than $1. So which means you can actually run it on all the chains that are yet to run their airdrops, including OPBNB, except for Stacknet and ZK Sync. ZK Sync has a very crazy gas fee when it comes to deploying contract. So we did another alternative for ZK Sync, which was deploying NFTs instead. So that will be a talk for another day. But for now, let's focus on this. Once I'm done with deploying the contract, I will show you what and what to do for us to be able to interact on the contract, so that it will not just be an idle contract. We will verify the contract and interact on the contract together. But let's go on the contract first. Then that's why you need to watch the video till the end, so that you will see how we go about interacting with the contract, so that the contract will not be seen as an idle one. So here, let's go. You need to create a file first. You can just come here, create new file. You can just name it anything. I'll name it as this. It's always .sol, .sol. So when you're done with the .sol, you enter, click on enter, so that it can bring up your new file. To create new file, sorry, my system is kind of slow. So this is the new file. You click on it. So when you click on your new file, sorry, this is wrong. So it will be plain like this. Then paste the contract you want to use. I'll drop the contract in the video description section, where you can just copy and paste on your remix as well to use. And you can see, please and please and please, when running your contract, make sure you always change the names. Always change the name. So here you can see the name I used. You can just pick a name of your choice. Always change the name, so that it won't contradict each other, where they will now be saying different people using the same name. It will now seem as if, would it be bots or something? So you need to change the name. All you need to do is just come here, make sure you don't tamper with the contract, just clear, then write the name of your choice. This can be anything, but this is just the name I chose. So you just write the name like this. That's all you need to change here. Don't touch any other thing. After changing that name, just come straight to this place to compile the contract. So just click on compile. So once you click on compile, then you go down here. Don't you might not be seeing this on your own. It's because I actually use the Remix for activated Stacknet plug on Remix. That's why you're seeing that Stacknet logo. So click this. Then the next thing you need to do, before you click on deploy, make sure you come here, injected provider. It will prompt you to connect your MetaMask wallet. That's if you're doing it for the first time. But if you've done it before, it automatically connect to your active wallet. And don't forget, I said we will be using Zora network. You can actually use this same contract for every chain. But for now, I'm using Zora. For you to see this chain custom 777, that's Zora RPC. So here now, I'm on Zora. Then now I need to deploy the contract. So I need to click on deploy, which will prompt me. So you will now see the network fee that it will cost us. So I believe it will be less than $1. I'm very sure of that. So just watch and see. Let's see the amount it will cost us to deploy on Zora network. So you can see how concise and simple the contract code is. That's the benefit of being a member or and being a follower of this YouTube channel. So because I will be from now on, I'll try my best to come up with some other ones that can actually help you to position yourself for other airdrops as well. But for now, please don't take it for a joke and make sure you watch the video till the end. So here you can see it's just 0.45. So here 0.45, then you just confirm your transaction. Confirm your transaction. It's still pending. You can see creation of mole is pending. So you can see transaction hash successful. For it to show this green, it means it's successful. So now we need to check the contracts that we have, which is the contract everyone will be interacting with. Let's check. So you can see this is my contract now. This is my contract. So now, since I have the contract ready, the next thing you need to do before interacting with the contract, for you to show that yes, you actually went ahead and made your contract a good, it's not just creating a contract because you want airdrop on their blockchain. You go here to Explorer, go to I'll drop it in the video description section as well. That's Zora Explorer. Then I'll be searching my contract in the search box. So here it's loading. So you can see it says found one matching result. Then I'll open. So you can see this is it. When you come here, I need you to scroll down, come to contract, come down to contract. We need to verify and publish our contract. So for you to well, if you don't verify, it will just be showing like an ordinary contract, and not even anyone will be okay to interact with that contract. So but seeing a verified contract, it shows this person actually went far ahead to actually do well with the contract he or she created. So now let's watch and see how we go about verifying our contract. Yeah, so let's see. Still loading. Let's give it some time. So as you can see, after searching the contract here, after coming to contracts, you will see verify and publish here. Just click on it. Is very, very important to do this. So when you click on verify and publish, it will take you to where you verify and publish your contract so that your contract can go public and everyone can interact with it. So here, this is the first option. You click on solidity flattened source code rather. Then we'll come here, just do exactly what I did here. This is the compiler I used. How do you know your compiler? Just come to Remix, go up, sorry, we go to this part, the first part where we started from. This is it. You can see 0.8.18. So that's what we used. So that's what you are selecting here. Then I'll go back. So you can see that's exactly the same thing I selected. So I'll just leave it at default. Optimization enabled, no. Then here we paste the same contract code. Oh, sorry. This is just the, what is it called? That's the contract itself. So what I'll just do is I'll just save it. I'll just save it somewhere instead of this. I'll replace it with this. Then I'll save it. That's my own way of doing my things. If you're using your phone, you can just put it in your what's it called? So you put it. Sorry, I'm supposed to paste the contract, which is this. For those using phone, you can actually use your, what is it called, clipboard. You save, you paste in your clipboard and keep it saved there. So you can now Control V. That's the contract. Then we go down, down. Verify and publish. So you can see our contract is successfully verified. So that means our contract is verified and it is ready for use. So what is the next step of action now? The next step of action I expect every one of you to do is You're not just creating a contract just to keep it idle on the chain. It's just like creating a bank account and you've never deposited even a penny in the account. The account will just be seen as a dormant account, and what will come to the mind of the whoever creates your account for you is just to close and block down that account because it feels like a useless account. So for you not to make it a useless one, you need to interact with the contract you created. Go to your community, meet other people who have created a contract just like you have. When you meet anyone, tell them, or you, hello my friend, send me your contract. I'll send you $1 into your contract, then you send me back $1. That's how to go about it. So this is what I'll do now. I would look for a wallet just so I can show you guys how to go about funding a contract, and also how to withdraw from the contract after funding it. So let's see. So let me show you how to fund the contract right now. So this is my contract. This is the contract I created. I'm sure you all remember how I got the contract. So what I'll do is I'll now go to my wallet. I'm using my same wallet to fund the contract. And if I like, and I can actually send ETH to another wallet, or instead, let me just send ETH to another wallet. Then from that wallet, I will now send it to this contract, just so it will count as an interaction for me, even if no one else sends to my wallet. So let me do that first. So as you can see, I've funded this wallet. I have $1 in this wallet. So now this is what I'll be doing. I'll go to my contract. I'll copy my contract, then go to this wallet I just funded now. I'll go to the wallet now. Then I'll send. No, that's not what I'm sending to. Paste your contract. I'm sending to my contract. So let's say I'm sending, you can just, if you don't know how to calculate ETH, you can just always switch to USD so that you use USD. I can just say I'm sending 0.9, for example, and 0.9 USD. So I won't have enough for gas. Okay, let's say I'm sending 0.8. I'm sending 0.8 to the contract. So then I'll confirm. So that means I'm sending it to this contract, this particular contract. I'm not sending to a wallet address. You need to know the difference. There's a difference between, okay, it has gone already. I've sent 0.8 to this contract. So now this is what I'll do. Let me refresh this page so that we'll see the balance we have in this contract. I want to see if it works like OPBNB or it works like linear. Because on OPBNB, if you send to a contract, it will the money you send to that contract, the funds you send to the contract would automatically hit straight to the wallet you use to create the contract. What I mean is, for example, if I send money to this contract for interaction, it will automatically drop in the wallet I used to create that contract, which is this wallet. Sorry, I'm coming. Which is this wallet. So as you can see, that's exactly what happened here as well. That's exactly what happened. You can see the $1 I sent out $1. So now the balance I was having here is supposed to be 1 point something, and here you can see it's showing. Let me show you something so that I will show you the transactions that happen. Come in. I want to make it clear to you. You can see it has reflected in my balance. So now I'll click this. So it automatically hits your wallet. So you don't even need to start withdrawing from contract, just like we did on, I think, what was it on linear, that we'll have to withdraw via contract, just the same way we did when we were claiming Arbitrum airdrop back then. So here, what we'll do is come here. So you can see the transaction now. You can see transaction here 2 minutes ago. Something came into the wallet, which is 0.004. But instead it will not stay in the wallet. It automatically dropped in the wallet we used to create the transaction. You will not see the transaction history in your wallet because it was not sent directly to your wallet. It will only be shown under the contract transaction. So you can see it's only showing the $1 I sent out. It's not showing the 0.8 that just came in because it came in through contract and not through the wallet address. I just hope I don't end up confusing you guys. So let me show you. Okay, for example, the value of this amount in wallet so that you understand what I'm saying. because it's not a dollar amount, it's in ETH. So let me just make an instant as if I want to send out something so that you understand what I'm saying. Let's assume maybe I'm sending out 0 point the amount I just copied. So you can see it's 0.8. 0.8. So that's the exact amount. That's the exact amount I sent into the contract, and it has reflected in my wallet. So that's why you see that my contract is still showing 0, because it doesn't stay in the contract, it automatically go back to your wallet. So now if somebody wants to interact with your contract, now if they should, it is your contract you will drop, not your wallet address. The person will send funds into your contract, but it will automatically drop in your wallet. Then when you're paying the person back, you ask the person to also drop his own contract so that you can send the exact amount back to the person's contract, and it will now reflect in the person's wallet as well automatically. Once you send to the person's contract address, it means that person also have one transaction count on his contract that he created. I'm sure it's clear now. So that's what you need to do for you to be able to create a contract and interact with the contract being created. Imagine you have like 100 people interacting with your project. You interact with their own, they interact with yours. You do that for like 100 people. There is no project that will see such thing and it will say it is just a fake contract or something. But when you just do one transaction, or you don't even do any single transaction, there's no one that will take that contract serious. And that's why you always see that developers are always the ones that earn big, fatter amounts of airdrops. So that is why I'm introducing this, so that we can all participate and also find a way to also benefit from all these contract deployments. So I wish this helped you guys. And if you have any question or anything, you can always drop it in the comment section. And don't forget to comment, like, and follow my channel, guys. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And you can always contact me. If you check my profile on YouTube channel, you will see my Twitter handle, and you can also see my WhatsApp number where you can chat me up anytime, any day. Thank you very much, guys, for watching my video. And for other things, or as I said earlier, you can do the same thing for other chain. All you need to do is to visit their explorer and verify their contract on their explorer as well. So thank you very much, guys. See you in my next video. Bye.